Guys, we're looking at MRSN today. We are in my Thinkorswim charting software. If you guys are looking for a charting software to use, Thinkorswim is a good free one. I'm not affiliated with them whatsoever, so you guys can just go and download it for free if you don't already have one. Just wanted to kind of point that out. So MRSN, we are coming up to a nice yearly breakout at the 770 area. We're looking at the yearly chart right now. You guys want to make sure you're looking at these yearly charts, because especially with these low price penny stocks, because these things they like to, history doesn't repeat but it rhymes in the market, right? So for example, in this yearly chart, we see this big run up, all these green days throughout this month. Boom, drops. We have some higher lows right here in the 430s off of this 391 level. Then we got, some higher lows here. Another run up. Boom, drops. Another spike here. Drops, consolidates, and then here we are at the 770 breakout level. So if we go to our scanner here, we're looking at MRSN, 1.3 million volume. Not crazy volume. But you can it's still very liquid. You'll be able to get in and out of your position quickly if you need to, as long as your position size isn't too large, guys. You don't want to be more than 10 to 15% of the stock's daily volume, because then you actually might get stuck. But I mean, that's not most of you guys are trading with small accounts. It's not a big deal anyways. But it is up 23% on the day today. And this isn't a perfect science. There's always a chance that it's not going to break this 770 breakout level tomorrow. There's a chance that it won't, but in this game, nothing's a perfect science, and we just have to put together as many indicators and factors as we can and then piggyback these things. So tomorrow, keep an eye on this. It's primed. Everything is primed for this stock to break out, but like I said, may not. And I want to teach you guys this stuff. There's patterns that I'm going to be teaching you guys on this channel, so please subscribe. That'd be amazing. I'm new to YouTube, but I'm not new to trading. I just figured I'd make a YouTube channel now, kind of get this information out there. So I just want to say thank you guys for watching.